Hi, good morning, brave streamers. Welcome to Lisa Tutorial. This is Jay Pabualan. And today we're going to do a basic tutorial kung paano magiging productive using our app na Lisa or Live and Interactive Shop Assistant. This is very useful lalong-lalo na sa panahon ngayon na kung saan tayo halos sa atin ay or lahat tayo takot lumabas. So in moments like this, I advise each and every one of you to please stay home. But even if you're at home, huwag niyong kaligtaan na negosyo natin to. Nagpapasalamat po tayo dahil si JC ay nakaisip po ng ganitong klaseng pamaraan na kahit yung mga tao nasa bahay-bahay nila ay pwede pa rin kumita using this app na Lisa. Okay, bago tayo magsimula, all you need to do is to log in to www.jcpremier247.com/Lisa. And here's the thing that you need. Unang-una, dapat meron ka ng JC account number. Pangalawa, dapat meron ka ring tinatawag nating active email address. Okay, let's proceed, ladies and gentlemen. Unang-una, yun na nga, you log into our website na jcpremier247.com/Lisa and you can find it there. Meron tayong tinatawag na register. So, using your JC account number, i-fill up nyo lang yung ating mga tinatawag na boxes provided at sundin lamang ang mga user-friendly na instructions. Okay, this is what's gonna happen. Ayan, nakalagay dyan, log in at saka register. So since hindi ka pa nakapag-register or nakapag-subscribe, click register. Do not forget to click agree. At saka next. Pagkatapos, yan, ilagay nyo yung account number nyo sa itaas. Pagkatapos, ilagay nyo rin ang active email address or gumawa ka ng special email address specifically for JC. Okay, pagkatapos mong ilagay yung email address mo, think of a name for your online store na kung saan may recall dapat ito or madaling tandaan. Katulad na lamang, nilagay ko dito JC Official JP. Oh, ayan. At create your own password and then register. Okay, pagpalagay natin, nakapag-register ka na, let's now log into your newly created account, no? Napakadali lang po nito, mga bravest dreamers. Okay, let's proceed now. So it takes some time, but it's okay. Ayan po. So click do not forget to put your email address na active na sabi ko kanina, and then yung password na ginawa ninyo, and then click login this time. Yan. So lalabas na po yung ating tinatawag na dashboard. Yan, nakalagay yung dashboard. So nakalagay doon sa yung menu. So on the, if you are facing your phone or if you are facing your computer, andito po nakalagay, you're facing your phone, nakalagay po doon sa bandang top left, nakalagay doon ng dashboard. Sunod niyan is ayan po, membership inquiries, product inquiries. You have your my profile, we have your product package transactions, retail transactions, at sa bandang baba meron dyan nakalagay Lisa Wallet. Okay, since bago mo palang na-create yung account mo, ang nakalagay dito sa mga increase niya, nakalagay lahat 0. So ibig sabihin, kapag may nag-i-inquire doon, kahit saang bansa po, by the way, pwede po itong i-share natin sa kahit saan, no? Ayan, that's how very useful ang ating app na tinatawag. At do not forget at do not worry, kasi po ito po lahat ay very user-friendly po ito. So madali lang po siyang sundin lang lahat ng mga instructions at nakalagay dito. No, it's very understandable. Yan. This time, let's go to your my profile. Yung blue na nakalagay dyan, yan yung link ng profile ninyo, yung online store ninyo. If you're going to click it, this is what's going to happen. So mag-open up na yung inyong tinatawag na online store powered by JC Premier, of course. Yan. Ang lalabas po ngayon, as I've said, ay ang tinatawag nating online store na personalized na ginawa mo kanina. Okay. So, ang mangyayari, ganito, lalabas ang napakagandang logo ng JC with the products, pictures, and everything, specifications, lahat na dyan, nandyan na. So, nakalagay dyan, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. At kung sino man yung bibili, pwede siya magbayad through credit or debit card, pwede magbayad sa mga bayad centers. At meron din dyan nakalagay, ayan, kung sinong gusto magpa-member, no? Pwede rin po. At pwede silang magpa-member, nakalagay naman dito yung mga bansa na kung pwede saan sila magpa-member. Ayan, those are the list of countries na pwede sila. At pumili lamang sila, yan, nakasulat is 15,888. Tapos piliin mo yung, piliin nila yung tinatawag nating platinum package. At pipili din sila ng kanilang mga packages. Nakalagay dyan sa mga product package natin na nakaset na. Okay. It's easy. It's very effective. Lalong-lalo na, as I've said, sa panahon ngayon. At meron din naman tayong mga distributors na who just signed up with us or just subscribe our system na hindi mahilig talaga lumabas ng bahay. So they can make use of this app. Yan, no? So you can also copy the link, and then this is the right time for you to share it in your online social media accounts. Okay, let's say for example, sa Messenger, may nag-i-inquire sa'yo about JC, tapos gusto bumili ng product, wala ka ng time makipag-chat. So all you need to do is share mo na lang yung link. And then, after sharing the link, if they're gonna open it, if they're gonna click it, yung kinakita ko sa inyo kanina, yun din yung makikita nila sa kanilang sa browser nila. Ayan. Add to cart, 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 add to cart. At ikaw naman, kita, income, kahit nasa bahay ka. Di ba napakaganda? Okay. Ayan. It's very easy. There you go. This is a very short tutorial. Ayan. Diba? Ayan, let's go back. Let's check your dashboard again. Just do not forget to click your menu again. Ayan, lahat dyan nakikita. No? At kung gusto niyo naman mag-log out, pwede kayo mag-click dito sa bandang right. Ayan, sa bandang right. By the way, dito nyo rin makikita yung laman ng wallet ninyo sa bandang baba. You click the Lisa wallet. Doon nakalagay yung ninyo, income. So as I've said, kaka-create lang natin ang ating account. So ayan po. So that's what's gonna happen. It's very easy. So happy online marketing. Once again, this is Mr. J. To God be the glory, and stay safe everyone, but stay focused. To God be the glory, and welcome to the good life.